What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently, and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, link in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we're just letting you know that YouTube is censoring our content currently from what we can tell. Our reach to new viewers is officially down lower than about 80% than it was a month ago. So make sure to hit the like button, it really helps the channel out, so just tap the like button now, it takes like 2 seconds, so just give it a quick tap and then we can continue. We've just hit 10k subscribers as well, so thank you all so much for your support, we really appreciate you. We make daily crypto videos, so make sure to check back every single day manually, because it doesn't look as though even if you turn notifications on, that people are getting notifications. There's currently something going on with YouTube and crypto content. Basically, no one is actually getting notifications of our videos, which is really weird to see. YouTube says nothing is wrong, obviously, but clearly something's going on if our supporters aren't actually getting our videos notified to them. So you can join the free Telegram in the description as well to get daily updates of every video being posted. So if we just take a look at Polkadot here, we can see that we're getting a nice little pickup off the lows that we did see basically a few weeks ago here. We actually came down as low as $13 on the wick, where we're rolling over here, and it does look as though we are seeing a nice little pickup and a recovery. Currently does look as though we are forming, like we've seen for most cryptocurrencies, potentially an ascending triangle, something like this, where basically the lows, we're getting higher lows, but we're stuck underneath a level here, probably at around $16 or $17, as you can see, over the past few weeks. So obviously, if we keep chopping it up inside of this ascending triangle, it's most likely that we would be breaking to the upside, and obviously if that was the case, we would be looking at a decent bit of upside here for Polkadot. Let's just take a look. We would be looking at potentially something like this, taking us back over the $20 level, probably to around $21, and we would be looking at retesting some of this large area of previous support flipped into resistance here that you can see. We're probably going to be stuck under this for quite a while, but from what we can tell, ever since we had the big capitulation, quite clearly we've probably just been ranging, haven't we? We've been chopping it up in a range here. Polkadot's been absolutely smashed compared to most cryptos from what we can see, and we do expect that Polkadot's probably going to have a very nice little reversal quite soon, obviously, especially if this ascending triangle does play out, something like this. Could be expecting a nice little move to the upside in the next few days, considering how imminent this does appear to be on the chart, as you can see here. So we've been chopping it up in this area. We're looking for that move to the upside. Ascending triangles are usually a bullish sign. They have about I think it's about a 70% chance of breaking to the upside, considering what they indicate on the chart. So from what we can tell, I mean, Polkadot's been absolutely smashed down recently, hasn't it? Let's just take a look at where we are now from the all-time high. We're still down around 68-70% for Polkadot. I mean, considering this is a project of such a high caliber, it's quite insane that we're actually coming back all the way down to these kinds of lows. Obviously, as you can see, we've had this huge rollover here, haven't we? Basically had a big rollover in general, just looking at the 4-hourly time frame here. But it's quite clear, isn't it, that we've been very oversold recently. There's been a lot of bearish sentiment in the market, and we do think that the bears are getting quite greedy. And as we said for most cryptos, look how oversold this is. This is ridiculously oversold. Has it ever been this oversold? Maybe here in this March 2021 area where we came down here. But quite clear that there's a lot of bearish sentiment in the market right now, and the bears are getting quite greedy, and usually this is a decent sign of a reversal, and we are seeing a good amount of signs here to indicate that the reversal is probably going to be quite likely soon. But there is something that we've just noticed with Polkadot here, that we are actually stuck under a resistance line, something like this. This is a similar thing that's happened with VeChain as well. It's really struggling to break upwards out of these resistances it's been stuck under for some time here. And as you can see, if we do get that breakout of this ascending triangle, we could potentially be breaking this resistance, back testing it, and then moving to the upside again. So obviously, I think everyone can agree that Polkadot is a top quality project. and it's probably going to do very, very well in the future. We do strongly think that Polkadot is probably going to be around in the next 5 to 10 years and will be a part of this wider crypto ecosystem that is under development. But obviously right now we just got very, very overbought, didn't we? The market just got really overheated. We did start to see signs of Polkadot potentially rolling over, just like the wider market. Obviously Bitcoin got that Wyckoff accumulation where it kind of did something like this, head and shoulders down. And it does look as though Polkadot has potentially done something similar here. We've had these 3 peaks, as people have been calling them, and there was obviously retested the support, fell well down below it, all the way down to around this $13 level. And then since then, we've just been chopping it up in between this $13 and this $28, $29 level. So until we get back above this $29 level, we are probably going to be seeing some sideways chop for a good while. But as we said, our first port of call would be to break this resistance and basically get back up into this up above this $20 level, which has been basically a pretty good support up until now here. As you can see, we were chopping it up in here until basically we got the move to the downside with more Bitcoin sideways movement. And as we all know, when Bitcoin's going sideways, that means that pretty much every single other crypto is getting losing a lot of value, basically bleeding, whilst Bitcoin's chopping it up because it can't decide what it's going to do. So as you can see, there's bullish divergences all over the place here on the daily time frame. You could say this is probably the clearest one. Price action still coming down. RSI, it's flat right now, but it does look as though that it is slowly rising. So you could make the case that we're probably going to be seeing a reversal quite soon, considering our price action is still heading downwards here, but we are just really oversold in general. This is the daily time frame, so it holds a lot of credence. And I mean, as you can see, we've basically never been as oversold as we have been right now, except for maybe when we had this little correction to the downside here in March. We basically fell around 44% in that instance. So quite clear that we're in a downtrend right now. There's no denying it. But I mean, potentially forming somewhat of a, you could say potentially something like this, where we're forming a descending wedge. And obviously a descending wedge, this is a bullish reversal pattern where the price action to the downside is decreasing, and we will get that breakout to the upside. And obviously that would coincide nicely with this resistance we're stuck under as well. So I mean, in our opinion, obviously no one likes to see things as they have been recently in the crypto space, but things can't go up in a straight line. And it's quite clear that Polkadot is doing pretty well. So obviously we've lost the 20 EMA here. I don't think we've actually got enough price action history to basically show where the 55 EMA is, but we're guessing it's probably something like this. Let me just we're thinking it's probably going to be something like this, where the 55 has been held and the 20 obviously flipped bullish with the bull market getting underway. Got really overextended here, and obviously look at this weekly candle for Polkadot. That's absolutely crazy weekly candle, isn't it? Coming down around 70% in a week is absolutely insane. But I mean, even on the weekly time frame here, you can quite clearly see we've never been this oversold. So we're in a period of massive bearish momentum. And obviously the longer this goes on, as we've been saying, the more chance of the reversal, because things can't go on like this forever. And the more oversold we get, the more chance of the reversal. The more greedy the bears get, the more chance of the big push to the upside and the bounce, which could liquidate a lot of shorts in the market. And we could be seeing some big pushes to the upside if that's the case. So in the short term, we are expecting that Polkadot, considering that it's starting to get a nice little pickup, isn't it, off the bottom here, we could be seeing this ascending triangle playing out. And if that's the case, as we said, in the next few days, do anticipate that we could potentially be seeing that nice little push to the upside for Polkadot. Obviously, if Bitcoin rolls over, we could be looking at backtesting these areas here again at $13. But as we said, in the long term, we do think this is a top quality project. It's probably going to be around for years and years to come. I mean, we could easily see it hitting 100, 200, maybe even $300 or $400 in the next year or so. Considering its smart contract release of its testnet is coming its mainnet is coming very soon. Sorry. So lots to be bullish about with Polkadot in the long term. When in doubt, zoom out. I mean, this chart. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this chart in my opinion. Because obviously you don't like to see things selling off, but by our estimation, it does seem quite likely that we're probably going to get the pickup pretty soon. And I mean, things looking okay. Like nothing to be too concerned about in our opinion. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.